What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the travel case for the JBL Xtreme 2. This is gonna be an unboxing. Okay, let's check it out. Let's open it. See what's inside. As you can see, let's remove all this. Boom. There we have it, guys. The travel case for the JBL Xtreme 2. First impression, it looks very nice. I like the material. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, check that out. This case is shockproof, dustproof, water resistant, protect your device from any bumps, dents, or scratches. It's a black color, and the material is EVA. It weighs about 1.6 pounds. The size is 16.2 inches long, and wide is 5.5 inches. As you can see, 5.5 inches. Looks very nice. We have right here the hand strap, so you can carry it anywhere you want. Okay, we have right here the classic zipper with the brand on it. It's called co2crea, co2crea. So you can see, very nice quality. I like the feel of it. Okay, let's open this case. Let's see what's inside. Nice. It comes with this shoulder strap. You can attach it right here on top of the case. We have 4 holes right here, so you can clip all this shoulder strap. It will be much easier to carry it. Okay, let's see how it looks. Zipper is pretty good. Yeah, looks very nice. Check that out. Okay, let's open it again to see the inside. As you can see, it's a gray color. It's very soft inside. It's a soft material. So you can see, very nice. Right here is where you place the actual speaker, and this part of the case is where you place the charger of the speaker. This will be the charger right here. Nice. Check that out. This is how it looks. This is the JBL Xtreme 2. Let's place it right here. It fits perfectly. So you can see. Check that out. Nice. Okay, let's remove these straps so you guys can see how it looks with everything. Zipper is pretty nice. There you go, guys. There you have it. The travel case for the JBL Xtreme 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know what do you think about this item, guys. there you have it, guys. Have a good one.